the Super Salto Sailplane. It's a jet-built engine called the PBS TJ100.
Watch how he flies this thing. He almost hits the ground.
Still working on getting to altitude.
I was amazed with this lens, so gonna have tons of it.
He wants to thank his sponsors, PBS, the makers of the TJ100 jet engine that powers the Super Salto jet sailplane. He's a retired rocket scientist and has designed some very unique gliders and power for gliders that have been used for world competition. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes Bob Carlton in the Super Salto jet sailplane.
It was worth it. Oh, there he is. I didn't even see him up there.
This flight. Bob is the winner of the 2015 Bill Barber Award for Airshow Showmanship. The 2016 Chairman's Award winner presented by the Soaring Society of America. He also flies hang gliders, powered planes, and helicopters. As a matter of fact, he actually dropped a hang glider from a balloon from 13,000 feet back in 1982. He's flown hang gliders over 100 miles and sailplanes over 200 miles. Spool it up. Put the pedal to the metal, as it were, and let's watch the Super Salto jet-powered sailplane perform a very unique aerobatic routine. the Czech Republic. Bob wants to thank his sponsors, Excel Manufacturing, MM Fabrication, and Precision Fabrication for his custom component manufacturing, Paraphernalia Incorporated for his softy parachute, Micro Air Avionics from Queensland, Australia, Digital Instruments by US Aviation, Blue Sky Avionics and Flight Data Systems, and the turbine oil by Elite, etc. There's the Cuban 8. The Hammerhead. This is the 4-point hesitation roll. It's exceptionally difficult due to that 42-foot wingspan. This next pass, Bob wants to dedicate to the men and women who fly the Predator unmanned aerial vehicle for the United States Air Force with its inverted V-tail. Let's watch as Bob flips it over on his back and does the Predator pass. Ladies and gentlemen, if you will, a big round of applause to Bob Carlton in the Super Salto jet-powered sailplane. As Bob Carlton recovers here on runway 23 left, we'll be setting up for the United States Air Force's F-22 Raptor demonstration team. Now, in case you're not familiar with how runways are designated, I just said runway 23 left. It's really pretty simple, and it's done this way all over the world, so pilots, no matter where they are, will be able to line up on the correct runway for takeoff and landing. If you were to walk out in the middle of this runway that's out in front of us with a magnetic compass and set it down, you would see that it is lined up pretty much with 50 degrees magnetic direction to the northeast and the reciprocal or opposite direction of 230 degrees to the southwest. Same piece of pavement, 2 runways, just the reciprocal numbers. So you take it to the nearest 10 degrees of magnetic